I have added live news to my real-time stock scanner. This means you can now look at the scanner and see which stocks on the list have a legitimate reason for going up, thus raising their percentage chance of follow-through. If we take a look here at BIAF, it's been strong all day since it announced its news. Let's take a look at AIFF, another stock with news on the day that's been strong all day since it announced its news. We can go take a look instead at, say, CXAI, the stock that has recently hit the Moving Now scanner, and you can see this moved, but it failed. So if you're tired of buying these sort of failing breakouts, having access to live news on a scanner like this is going to be extremely helpful to your trading. If you're brand new around here, first off, welcome. My name is Trey Neal. I have been day trading the stock market for over 10 years. I have built my own stock scanner. It updates every 200 milliseconds. So live and in real time, you will see any stocks that are moving right now. You can access it from my website, daytradingstrategies.net, which will be linked in the description down below this video. Once you're signed up, you just simply click on this purple launch scanner button to be taken to my scanner website. I access my real-time stock data from a data source called Massive. This would cost you $200 a month to access yourself. And what I've added to the scanner today is live news provided by Benzinga Pro. And you get access to both of those data sources in an already built scanner on my website for only $400 a year. If you don't already see that for the ridiculous value that it is, just for this video, if you go to sign up, you can actually use discount code SAVE30 to even take another 30% off. The real-time stock scanner, all of that live data, and now the live news for less than $280 for 12 months. Ridiculous, ridiculous value. Head on over to my website, daytradingstrategies.net. Once again, at the link in the description down below. Get signed up today and become a better trader immediately. All right, so now you know where the data is coming from and how you can access the scanner. Let's begin talking about what news sources are actually being called in here. What I'm referencing is press releases. So anything that is actually announced by the company itself. This is a very important distinction to make versus news, because if I go to a stock, let's just go to Nvidia, for example. If I go to the Nvidia chart and I pull up their live news window, you will see there has been a handful of news articles written about Nvidia today. But the company itself hasn't actually announced anything. There is nothing material underlying that would actually be making this stock move. Thus why press releases are much more impactful than news articles. So back to my scanner now, you can see in the top 20 gainers list today, there is BIF and AIFF that have news icons next to them. Obviously meaning they have press releases from today. Let's click on BIAF's Bioaffinity Technology announces record 2025 revenue, blah, 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 blah. So BIAF, Bioaffinity, actually announced some sort of material news that will cause their stock to move today. AIFF, Firefly, that is the company AIFF, announces discovery of new brainwave biomarkers for differential diagnosis of ADHD. That sounds insane. Anyway, actual material announcement that would be causing the stock to move, not just opinion news articles written about the companies. And obviously, when you click into one of these news sources, you can also see what time it was announced at. So AIFF, this was announced at 7:55. If I hop back over into my charts here, let's go to AIFF. We can see this morning at 7:55, that is this candle here, that is when the news was announced. I'll bring it up here in Thinkorswim as well, just to confirm. You can see, hopefully that's a pretty small little, can I zoom this in? Yes, I can, sorry. You can see at 7:55, Firefly announces discovery, blah-de-blah, de-blah. Actually, funnily enough, the same exact company that I'm using, Benzinga Pro, supplies the news to multiple brokerages, including Charles Schwab and Thinkorswim. So you will see the same exact headline and content in Thinkorswim that you see over on my scanner, once again, because it is from the same news source. And if you hear me say that and your brain goes, well, Trey, if it's the same news source, then why would I pay for your stock scanner to see the same thing? Because how do you find it, right? What my scanner offers you is a way to see which tickers are moving and strong today that actually have the news, and then you can click into and see that news source. Just because the news source is the same, you do not really have a great way to scan for stocks based on news within Thinkorswim or really any other brokerage that I've ever heard of. We're going to cover just a few more things about the functionality of this live news in my stock scanner, and then we're going to get to the important part of today's video, how you can use this live news information to help make yourself a better trader. So firstly, I want to showcase my tooltip. If you hover over the news icon, you can see both the time that the news was announced and the headline of the title of the press release. So if you have multiple stocks with news and you're just trying to quickly get an idea of what's moving, just simply hover over the news icon. Next, if I click into it, you can click into the title here, BIF official press release at 8 a.m. Click into this, and in a new tab, it will take you to the Benzinga information page about this stock. So there's a lot of great statistics you can see in here. You want to see what sector the stock is, or learn more about the stock, or see past news, or see current press releases, etc. All of that is available here on this page and can be easily accessed from my live stock scanner. Benzinga themselves also put some links in their content. For example, here, Bioaffinity Technologies is linked. You can click on this, and in a new window, it will take you to the page of the company itself. If you once again want to learn more about what the company does, SciPath Lung here also has a link. This is the excuse me, I guess the name of the drug or whatever that the press release is linked to. Also click on that. You can learn more about that. So really the important part is you can click into this to go to the Benzinga quote page, and anything else that's linked in here, you can also click to learn more about. Now, an extremely useful feature of my real-time stock scanner is the market replay functionality. If you click into this top left box here, you will be taken to the time machine window in which you can choose any date and any time in the past, load in that replay, and then you will see the stocks appearing just as they would have on the scanner during that date and time. Well, this just became 10 times more powerful with the addition of live news, because now also you can see the stocks on that day. You can see the news articles and what time they came out accordingly. This is extremely important because this now allows you to test how stocks react to certain types of news. So what I just opened here is a news article on ticker KALA from March 11th, which was 2 days ago. If we go back to 2 days ago, we can see at 6:30, that is exactly when this stock started to move, right here at 6:30. This is the news that was announced. Calabio launches a revolution for biotech. First AI agent deploying blah, 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 blah. So the savvy traders out there, the ones that are really willing to put in the work to become a better trader, would write this down somewhere in a, Excel document or just in a notepad, however you want to do it. Write down, okay, biotech/AI news, and note and write down how the stock reacted. You can write down the percent change move it made over the specific time frame, whether it had good continuation or bad continuation, etc. And you start to build yourself a history of what types of news articles have what type of effect on certain types of stocks based on their price. And obviously also on my scanner, you can see float. So based on the price of the stock, a penny stock with a high float, this type of news made it react like this. You do that for hundreds of stocks and hundreds of news articles, you start to learn what to look for, so that the day that you're really trading, if you see similar news pop up, you have an idea, a better understanding of how the stock is going to react. And that's a perfect transition now into our important conversation of how you can use this new live news added to my real-time stock scanner to help make yourself a better trader. We just talked about using it in backtesting, learning how stocks react to specific types of press releases. Well, what about trading strategies? You can also build trading strategies that require there to be news on the ticker. And now you can see that from the scanner so that you know what stocks to trade. For example, let me come back to my website. If I come into my TOS strategies, by the way, this is also something that you get access to when you sign up to access my scanner for free. You get access to over 150 plus trading codes. But anyway, if I go into my pre-market day trading strategy, one of the requirements of this strategy is buy when there is a news event in the pre-market. Now, in Thinkorswim, I cannot code for that event to be true. I cannot write in my ThinkScript code that there must be news. It's just not available to me. So it's always been something that you have to go check yourself. Like when you load in this strategy, you have to go check, okay, was there news on this ticker? Well, now you don't even need to do that because now you can load up your scanner and you can see, okay, BIAF has news today, so I should trade the pre-market strategy on it. And as you can see, it performed pretty well. And conversely, you can use it for the exact opposite reason, maybe why you shouldn't take a trade. You haven't seen this yet. Maybe I will show you an example using our history replay tool after this clip, but the news icon will also appear on the moving now scanner. So if a stock rips into local highs on a big bullish move on heavy volume, you will see it appear here and you will see whether it has news or not. So our most recent one, MEHA, obviously does not have news on the day. If we come back into our stock here, or come back into our Thinkorswim here, should I say, and I go to the stock MEHA, we can see, like, yes, indeed, it did just make a big pop, but that pop failed pretty hard. If the stock doesn't have news, it is less likely that the stock is going to have continuation because it has no material reason to do so. So, thanks to the scanner, you didn't get trapped in this breakout. You did not lose money in this trade because you knew, hey, yes, it's moving like it should appear on the scanner. That's good, but it's not moving for any material reason. Buyers are just chasing it. There's just buying momentum, whatever, but it's not real. So you avoid a lot of these kind of hard crashes that come on the back of those types of moves. I just want to see if I can show you real quick the news icon loading on the moving now scanner as well. We'll go back to March 11th at 9:30. That had a lot of stocks with news. Let's go to 10x on the speed. Watch these stocks hit the moving now just as they would have at 9:30 on March 11th. DXST did not have news. There it is. XSTP, UOKA, KALA, all here. All have news. You can click on them and obviously see what the news was. But there was your example of if a stock has news on the day and hits the moving now, you will see that news icon and all the contents within. Here it comes again, KALA. Oh, as soon as I load back into the live market data, what's happening right now, of course, there's actually a stock hitting the moving now scanner with news. It's a 6-cent stock, but YYGH Group welcomes the landmark Bangkok to growing hospitality client portfolio. So there you go. Here is a stock moving right now with news, and you can see that icon loading in there as it should. Live news is perhaps the most important thing for day traders. The ability to see when a company announces material news right away so that you can use that in your own decision making for your own trading is stupid powerful. If you thought my scanner and having the ability to see what stocks are moving now, to be able to sort by the gainers by float, to be able to filter out based on price and float, to be able to see the performance of the small cap market, to be able to use the market history replay, etc., was powerful enough, adding live news on top of that makes it I mean, probably 2 times as powerful. This is just a stupid, useful feature, and it's been added to the scanner, and those over 5,000 plus of you that are already signed up to the scanner don't have to do anything. You don't have to pay any extra, just a feature that I've paid for myself and added to the scanner to help make it more useful for you. And if you're not one of the over 5,000 people that are already signed up and this doesn't make you want to sign up, I don't know what else I can tell you. Honestly, I don't know what other value I can show you for the price that I'm selling this at. It's just ridiculous. I implore you to go find a better scanner for cheaper, I guess is what I would say. I promise you that you won't. So when you're ready to sign up, once again, daytradingstrategies.net, linked in the description down below. Once again, you can sign up for the annual plan with 30% off when you use discount code SAVE30 at checkout. That gives you 12 months of access to the scanner. For completely free, it also gives you access to the 150 plus custom trading codes, which I showed you one of in this video. It also gets you lifetime access to the Discord server. This Discord server currently consists of over 2,000 members. It's a lot of people that have signed up for the annual plan. It's a lot of people with their eyes on the market, sort of always talking about what's moving, talking about how they're trading, etc. Just a great way to get into a community of like-minded traders. Once again, that is also included at no additional cost when you sign up for the annual plan. And you can get access to all of that for less than $280 for 12 months. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. If you don't think that's a good deal, maybe you haven't paid enough attention to what things go for in the stock market. I'm not sure. So head to the website now, go get signed up today, and become a better trader immediately. Thank you all for watching my video. I really appreciate those of you who watch to the end of my videos. I hope you know that. So for all of you, blessings on your next trade being green. Good luck out there.